also the way that we prepare food and the utensils that we cook in, as well as whether we use induction or fire, the regular fire stove makes a big difference. Induction or anything that is electric based has an electric energy. It does not nourish the natural Agni, as we call in Ayurveda, or the natural warmth in our body, and hence it doesn't lend the healing aspect of it. Of course, having some foods in the oven and certain foods here and there sporadically is fine, but our daily cooking should definitely not be on induction or anything that is electric based.